Hello guys, and every Saturday we're gonna do the cat of the week. We're gonna do their story. So yeah, but we're gonna make up a random story for them. So I'm gonna think of Scourge's story for a few minutes and then we'll start. Okay, I'm back with a story. So let's go.
There was once a time where Blood Clan didn't exist. It was just the 4 clans. Well, make that 5. Star Clan, Thunder Clan, Shadow Clan, River Clan, and Wind Clan. But no, this is not a story about those clans. This is a story about Blood Clan.
Mama, can't we go into the forest? Ugh, what, are you crazy, Tiny? Forest cats have fleas.
Whatever you say.
No, I wasn't gonna let her stop me. So I jumped over the fence. But there was a purpose for all this. The purpose was I never, ever wanted to be called Tiny again.
After jumping over the fence, Scourge felt free, but he didn't realize it yet. He was running around. He saw a butterfly, so he went to catch it. It landed on a tree stump, so he went onto the tree stump. Next thing you know, a forest cat lifted him off of the tree stump and banged him off of a tree, making him scared. But Scourge did not feel his doubt of his power yet.
Why is this cat so strong?
Scourge said, slowly doubting jumping over the fence, as the mean cat said,
What are you doing in ThunderClan territory, kitty pet? You must leave now or learn your lesson.
Longtail, stop. It's only a kitty pet. Kitty pets mean no harm to any of the clans, and here you are trying to destroy one's dreams of being free?
Oh please, Blue Star. You've always been so soft on these kitty pets. Are you a real leader or what?
I am, but you don't need to kill other cats to win a battle. You know this, Longtail. I thought I could trust you.
Fine, Blue Star, but next time this kitty pet won't be so lucky, will you? You'll never forget me, right?
No, I'll never just let me. I will never forget you, Longtail. So I started my journey going to the city. Because the forest was way too dangerous for me. Well, that's what I thought. Is this really the city? There's monsters everywhere. I've never crossed a thunder path before. Oh no. There's one coming right for me. What? It just drew right past me. Oh right. They can't leave the thunder path. I'll just go into this alley. There's a bunch of alley cats here. Hey, do you mind sharing food? What's a kitty pet like you doing in the alley cat area? Go find your own food. Okay. Maybe this cat over here will give me food.
Hi, kitty pet. You want some food? I can't resist kittens down on their luck. take some. Really? Thanks. Don't thank me.
Anyways, I have to go. Is that a dog? Dogs chase cats and even eat them sometimes.
Max, come here.
That dog's way too old. It can't eat me. It can barely walk. Is that a tooth? I could use this to try getting my collar off. The tooth just got stuck. Stupid collar. A few days later.
Hi. Can you guys just share food with me? I'm really hungry.
Whatever, kitty pet. Hey, where'd you get that spike on your collar?
This? I ripped it right out of a dog's mouth. It was digging in some food that I stashed away, but it couldn't stand up against me. Once it was dead, I took its tooth as a trophy.
So, is this a fact, kitty pet? You killed a dog and it took its teeth.
You don't even have to finish that, 'cause it's true.
Bye guys, we'll finish this next week. No, next week. Next week is Blue Star. Oh, I just gave it away. Whatever. It means tomorrow. I'll